Hi everybody, welcome back to Lorry Craves. Today I'm going to teach you how to make honey matcha custard flan with 5 simple ingredients you can find at home. This recipe will make 4 flans in total.
I don't know about you, but I'm hungry, so let's get started.
You'll need 1.5 cups of milk, 3 eggs, 1 tablespoon matcha powder, 4 tablespoons of sugar, and honey! First, prep your ramekins with some butter to make it easier to remove the flan later. Add honey into each ramekin to cover the bottom. I made the mistake of not doing that here, but I did this recipe twice and made sure to do that the second time. Use a thick and dark honey if you have that at home, because it'll cling on to the ramekin much better. Beat the eggs in a bowl and make sure your whisk stays in contact to the bottom of the bowl the entire time. This will prevent air bubbles so that your flan comes out silky smooth. Warm up your milk and sugar in a pot over medium heat. Sift your matcha powder into the pot and whisk to combine. Once you see bubbles, take it off the heat. Temper your eggs by slowly adding your hot milk mixture using the same whisking technique as earlier. Doing this will make sure that you don't cook the eggs by pouring all that hot milk into the bowl. Pour the mixture through a sieve or sieve to catch all the lumpy parts. This will give you the silkiest texture. Distribute the mixture into 4 ramekins and cover with foil. Now we're going to steam the puddings. I almost said dumplings. Put a paper towel at the bottom of the pot to prevent the bottom of the pudding from overcooking. Then put the puddings into the pot, tongue twister, and add warm water halfway up the ramekins. Simmer gently over low heat for 30 minutes. You can also bake it in a water bath at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. When it's done, it should be slightly jiggly in the center. Let it cool on the counter and refrigerate for 3 hours, or overnight. Once cooled, slide a toothpick, knife, or spatula around the side of the custard. Carefully flip over the ramekin on the plate, hold it tightly together, and swing from one side to the other, and the flan is ready to serve. This was my first attempt at this recipe. I'm not going to lie, I definitely overcooked it. The amount of air bubbles in the flan means that my fire was way too high and it was cooked for way too long. It was still delicious though. So I tried again and it came out much better. And voila, your honey matcha flan is ready to be devoured. Yum num nums. Moral of the story? Don't be afraid to fail, because failing brings you one step closer to success.
Craving satisfied! If you love matcha, eggs, or milk, or all of them combined, this is the recipe for you. It really does taste like a matcha latte in your mouth with eggs. Thank you so much for watching! If you liked what you see, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more videos. Comment below with something you're craving and maybe I'll make it. Enjoy! I've already finished it, so honey. Thank you so much! Matcha Flan.